unloading the mobile. When I go, we got 2523, mate. Well, there's a lot of stations out there on the van. I found out everyone is trying to do it, mate. 2523,
I'm just cruising on my two-pill, Bulldozer. We're just cruising a two-pill. We're just loafing around. Take care. 393 says right there.
Right there, 393, mate. Right there. 393 right there. Don't fuck off.
Blogger. Alright there, Bulldozer, man. 25D9. Put it on you later. 2569. Honolulu. I'll see ya.
Right there, 25. You got that two-pill.
Alright, yeah. See my cool peel. Still driver in a minigrass. Oh, 25D9. 393. So I get back with ya.
You got that two-pill, mate. You got just a flat battery too, brother. You got that
some kind of Marshall Islands or Tahiti. I'm not sure what language you're speaking, man. They speak a lot of broken English and I'm having a hard time picking it up. So I'm going to get out of there. Conditions not in my favor for you right now. Alright, down under, take your Bulldozer. 393, say have a happy new year. I'll see ya.
Your Bulldozer M400 cruise mode, John.
Me like you with the cruise mode, take care, man. Bulldozer right there, 393, Honolulu, standing by.
Well, they're saying hello to me, the international radio, your Bulldozer station, international radio, Bulldozer right there. Yeah, roger there, here we got there, the Bulldozer in Melbourne there, got one up.
Hello, Pineapple Juice, 393, hey, Pineapple Juice, man. Happy New Year on your end out there around Kauai, man. You tell the Good Time Gang, you tell 556-819 and all the Good Time Gang, and say hello, Pineapple Juice, around Kauai, 393, Honolulu, bye-bye-bye.
Right there, 393, can you say my name right there? This one's going to go be my first gate for 2011, I think. It's going to be the first YouTube gate for the Bulldozer, just checking in right there.
Right there, we're going to check in with you, the Bulldozer, man. I do appreciate it, man. If I can pick my name, put my name in the Hall of Fame and put the broken spoke, man. I want to make my name famous out there around Australia, man. I hear you guys all the time. Every time I'm working, I never have time to sit down and chit-chat with y'all. Hello, Bulldozer 29. Hello, Pineapple Juice around Kauai. 393, cruising around downtown Honolulu, reading all the mail.
Gate there, man. So I'll be just rolling a bit of the gate for the
25D9, man. I still got the Marshall Island too, man. No pain, it's rain on you, calling big and in, man. Well, you sounding grand on the van, and we broadcast live on a 27.085 Bulldozer 25D9. You're 393, 2569. Working his two-pill, still driver, and a minigrass is gone. Bye-bye-bye.
Well, that was pretty good there, 393. That shows you taking out one of the locals there, mate.
sounding grand in a band. I don't even hear you locals, man. I heard a whole bunch of guys calling me when you're on the 10-6 side. Everybody's jumping up and down. When you put the hammer down, you take full control on radio out there around Australia. Take your 25 D9, take you all the good time gang around Australia, down under 393 with the Happy New Year's wave. I'll see you. Bye. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Once again, your Bulldozer station, cruising in scrapyard, right there.
And you're cruising in scrapyard. Look how fast I got back that time around, man. Full control. Sound like you own a piece of real estate somewhere around the Pacific Blue Ocean, around the minigrass. All right, 25 D9, put it on you later. Happy New Year once again. From time to time, you put the broken spoke and take a big old pause for your calls. 25 D9, Bulldozer. Nobody but 393 in the minigrass, downtown Honolulu. I got down. Yeah, no pain on my car, I'm thinking stream. That's my friend out there around Honolulu too, man. I'm just on my little 2-pill baby driver, but no pain and stream. And you have a good afternoon time. Take care. 25 D9 Bulldozer right there. 393 a minigrass, Honolulu gone.
Well, 393.
Right there. Okay, Bulldozer. Hello, Mr. Boom Boom. It's 016. I don't know what you did that time around on your end there. Hello, 016. Happy New Year. Take your 25 D9 on 393 downtown Honolulu. Come on down. Right there, Bulldozer. You took full control once again, man. You took out your neighbor, Mr. Boom Boom out there. All right, take your Bulldozer. Take your somewhere down there around Marshallese Islands. 393, still cruising around Honolulu. We're reading the mail. He's still on the mall. Alright there, Bulldozer, man. We'll put it on you later. Looks like condition is changing in my favor on the end, man, because we got 155 and 016 on this 1036 hour. Alright, man, we'll bump it down on you later. Take your 25 D9. I hear you 155 and I hear you Mr. Boom Boom 106. 393, still cruising around Honolulu. We're reading this mail.
Mr. 28 to be here, mate. Mr. 28, 28 in the banana patch.
Bye, 155, 393. Say bye. 155, 393 with the Happy New Year wave. I'll see you.
Hey, 398, 393 to be here there, mate. You got it down, no doubt about it. You're away on that, I might be good at 393. You put it down like that, I'm going to come back to you. Hey, 393, 155 East Coast, the New Year's wave.
Yeah, 14 on the east side of Australia, man. No pain picking straight on you in. All right, 155, Happy New Year. I'm glad we put the broken spoke on a special season greeting. Happy holiday time. At 155, 393, cruising around Honolulu in downtown Honolulu, minigrass. I'll see ya.
Hey, 393, whatever you're doing, mate, you're doing it well. 393, 155, we'll see you, bye-bye.